Very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good at your homes. So, let's start our general knowledge class. In our last class, we had completed chapter 22, and in this class, we will start chapter 23. J.C. Bose, a famous Indian scientist. Who was J.C. Bose? A famous Indian scientist. He was a famous Indian scientist and he was the father of radio science. He was a polymath, physicist, botanist. What does that mean? Polymath means a person of wide knowledge. Physicist means expert in physics. Botanist means a biologist who is an expert in study of plants. Understand, students? So let's start this chapter. Jagdish Chandra Bose. His full name is Jagdish Chandra Bose. He was born in year 1858 and he was died in year 1937. He is regarded as one of the greatest scientists of all the time in India. Read the following memorable fact to inspire you to develop scientific interest and scientific temperament. Number first, he is known as the father of wireless telegraphy. He invented a radio wave receiver but did not patent it. This machine was used by Marconi to build the radio transmission system especially designed for wireless communication. So, students, he invented radio wave receiver. He invented radio wave receiver. He was the first scientist to discover that plants are also living things. He discovered that plants are also living things. He conducted many experiments to prove that plants can feel affection and react to anger and pain. He conducted many experiments and he proved that plants can feel affection and react anger and pain. Number third, he is considered as the father of Bengali science fiction. He is considered as the father of Bengali science fiction. His book Polatok Tufan, which means runaway cyclone, describes how a drop from a bottle of oil saves a ship from a dangerous cyclone. He pursued BSc from the University of London. Being an Indian, he was denied entry inside the laboratories. Why? Because he was Indian, that's why he was denied to entry in the laboratories. He conducted his experiments in 24 square feet room. Students, can you know? Do you know that he conducted his all experiments in just a 24 square feet room? Here, a small note is given, students, that imbibe the qualities of hard work and determination to achieve your goal. It's very important. Now, know the fact there is a small crater of 91 kilometers diameter on the moon. The name of that crater is Bose crater, after the name of J.C. Bose. In his name, there is a 91 kilometers diameter of a crater is created. It was not created, it was natural, but it was named after J.C. Bose. What's the name of that crater? Bose crater. So, students, let's complete the exercise of this chapter. J.C. Bose is known as the father of Bengali fiction, science fiction, wireless telegraphy, telephone, both A and B. A and C. Yes, the answer is A and C. J.C. Bose was the first scientist to discover that plants are also living things. Yes. Name the following inventors. Write their names in the given blanks. Use the help box. Yeah, you can take the help of this box given here and you have to write it. You have to find out this is your assignment, students. So move to the next chapter, 24 strange building around the world. Look at the given weird architectural buildings in the world. You may use the help box. We can use help box. The strawberry house, as the name suggested, is shaped like two strawberries next to each other. This cute building is located in Tokyo, Japan. You can see this building is named as Strawberry House. Now move to the exercise. Here is the number 1. It looks as if it is moving. You can see that. So students, the name of this house which is which looks like it is moving. The name of this house is Crooked House, which is in Sopot, Poland. It is in Sopot, Poland. Number 2. The uniqueness of this building is that there is not even one straight line in this building. You can see there is not a single one straight line in this building. It is in a waves. It seems like a waves. This building is in Barcelona, Spain. What is the name of this building? Can you tell me? La Pedrera. The name of this building is La Pedrera. You can see La Pedrera. Number 3 is it looks as if it is in a dancing mode. You can see this building looks like it is in the dancing mode, which is in Prague, Czech Republic. The name of this country is Prague Czech Republic. And what is the name of this building? It's a dancing house. Number 4 is the house are built in the space of cubes and are placed in the different angles. You can see it is in Rotterdam, Netherlands. The name of this building is Cubic House. Cubic House. You can see number 5. It is built using 2 gigantic boulders cemented together. The name of this building, it is in Fate Mountains, Portugal. And the name of this building is Stone House. Stone House. So students, now this exercise you all have to complete by yourself. The building that resembles an enormous egg laying in a lake is National Center for Performing Art, China. Cubic House, Netherlands. Forest Spiral, Germany. Kunthus Grace, Austria. The building resembles a big basket. Where is it? You just have to take the right answer. So student, that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Good day.